Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody, man? Take a look. Take a good look, man. Got some castings right here that were fairly pricey, but I mean, I missed out on these castings for sure. This one is fairly recent, but I never saw it at the store. So take a look, man. $4 for this thing. It's a Samac, and it is the Skyline BCN R33. I did get a chance to get the R30, but I never saw this one at all. And even then, I only saw two of those R30s, Samac. But $4, man, I think that's pricey, but I don't know, man. What you guys think? Let me know, man. Let me know what you guys think. Would you have paid $4 for a Samac Skyline? Shoot, man. But yeah. Well, that's what it is, man. I really like these castings for sure, man. And Samac, it just looks nice. I like the fact that it comes with the tampos. Some on the front would have been ideal, but you got the back and then you got the side with the Hot Wheels. Side marker is a little bit off, but yeah, Samac 2019. And take a look at this one. These are Samac 007. Fairly old, and $2, man. The card is beat up and everything, but I mean, shoot, I'ma open it, so it's all good. And take a look. Even then, man, $2 is, so I don't know. It's nice casting. Let's not forget about the casting. Take a look. It's got the grill, and it looks like crooked or something. I don't know if it's just me, but it's a little bit off. And take a look at the tampos. Very nice, man. These 69 Chevy are awesome. And take a look at the bed and the interior. Kinda can't see it, can hardly see it. Oh well, I'll go over it once I open it or whatever. Put some real riders or something. But take a look, man. This is a Kool Kombi. This one I was missing, and I got it for $3.99. Which for this one I don't mind paying the $3.99, man. Especially if it's one step closer to getting all the Kool Kombis that I think they are. This is from 2013, the orange edition. Very nice for sure. And these ones I bought same place, fairly recent. I showed you guys already this one, the red, and I also showed you guys this one right here. So yeah, take a look, man. Kool Kombi, very nice. Very nice Kool Kombis, and I'll show you in a minute, man, the rest of the Kool Kombis that I got. I'm trying to get 2 of each, but man, I'm getting closer and closer. Man, I should get 3 of each. That way I can open one and put those on my displays, man. The displays that I got, I want to get one for BW, one for trucks, and then one just for JDM. But take a look. Speaking of JDM, Nissan Skyline GTR R32. This one I did not mind paying the $2.99, man. Definitely great casting for sure. Man, I would never see this. This is fairly old. I don't know. I don't even know when it came out. I have no idea, man. Take a look. Where does it say? 2015, maybe? I do not know. It's nice. Very nice, of course. Take a look at all those temples, man. You got the back, Skyline GTR, the tail lights, even the license plate. And then you got the sides, and the hood is black. Very nice. No temples on the front, but man, even then, still great casting. Very nice, man. I was fortunate. I snatched this one right away. Right away. But also JDM right here, man. Civic EF. I don't know when this one came out, but man, this was a great find for me, of course. I've been on the lookout for this one, and the Civic EF, the yellow one from the Honda series, which I already found. But yeah, I got a friend, Ruben. He's been helping me. He got a hold of me, and then we working a trade. So he's helping me. He was trying to find the Civic EF, the yellow one, but he said the place he went to didn't have it. But he did find a couple of the Kool Kombis. So thankfully, I will have a. Well, I'll show the video once I receive that mail call. But man, take a look at the Civic. Very nice in the front, the sides. Man, $4.99, man. I did not hesitate. $4.99 for this casting. And also take a look, man. This is what a lot of feedback, a lot of people were telling me. We asked for info, and they just you guys have been telling me that this is up and down. So I appreciate that info. I know Big Tappuccino, he's got I was watching his video yesterday, and he's got one close to this one, but his is from the Larry's garage, sitting on Real Riders, and I think he said he claimed it to be 2009. And but yeah, this is a different model. This is black walls and the Hong Kong base from, I don't know when this was released, but the base says 1979. So yeah, this is a cool feature for this casting. It's 34 forward, and yeah, man, like when you compare it, a $3.99 wasn't a bad deal for this Bugatti, man. Very nice Bugatti. I showed it in my one of the previous videos, man. I don't even know which one was my latest video. But yeah, $3.99 compared to that $4 or it's not bad, man. It's not bad at all. But yeah, and like I said, man, I got a box right here. Take a look. I'll show you the box. This box right here, man. You guys need to wait for this. This is gonna be probably, well, I don't know if it's gonna be the next, but I bought several, like 50 carded old castings. But you'll see the video, man. Well, that being said, man, I'll also show you guys the rest of the Kool Kombis. The rest of these Kool Kombis. Let me get to the room and I'll show you real quick. Alright, man, this is I think you guys have seen these, right? But there's a Kool Kombi that I found this one recently. I think the very first one was the treasure hunt. After the treasure hunt could have been this one, and then the arts, and then we went to the flea market and the guy sold us these three, $1, $2, $3, $6 a piece, man. But we didn't have them, so we might as well buy them. We got them, and after those, I think these two came out first and then second. And then I just recently found this one. I found two so far. And take a look. I got the red and the orange. And I double. This is the double for that one. And I want a double or triple actually. I want a triple on the Kool Kombis. I might have a second or I might even have 3 of these ones. Definitely 3 of these ones for sure. I don't know about the treasure hunt and I don't know about that arts. But if I get 3, I will put those on the display like I was talking about or I was telling you. But yeah, man, those Kool Kombis are nice. And I have some on the way. Thanks to Ruben, you know. So yeah, thank you, Ruben, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Take a look. I found that on a flea market. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, but anyways, man, very nice, very nice. And take a look at that 180 SX, real cool casting. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for these, man. And yeah, take a look. This is the one I've been on the hunt for. I think Jimmy Jones had it. He said he asked me if I wanted it. At the time I didn't have it, but I never asked for anything, man. If you want to send it, go ahead. If you don't want to send it, that's fine with me. Yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys in this video. Just stay tuned and just shouting out to everybody, man. Everybody who's been supporting. A lot of people, man. A lot of people show support to this channel, and I appreciate it. Names that come up right away will be David Rackley, Trades from My Dyson, Mick 67, Randall Bird. Man, you guys show support. Man, who else? There's quite a few, man. Toon Tracks is always support, and also I would like to send you guys to his channel, man. Go and check out his channel. Go and check Big Cappuccino, man. He's got some show and tells, very cool content. He doesn't have many subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to him. And yeah, David Vison, I believe. I think that's his name, man. A lot of people, man. There's a lot of people. También saludos a la raza de México. Todos por allá. Saludos hasta Chile. Yo sé que nos ven desde Argentina, España. Mucha gente, man. Muchos saludos por allá. ¿Qué más? Pues es todo. Muchas gracias por ver. Muchas gracias, man.
Es una troca.
Oh, esta es una troca. Take a look, man. My little kid he always comes up in the end. A ver tu otro carro. He just never wanted to let go of this one, man. I really like the fact that it comes with the light blue tint. Este sí me lo quitó. Yo creo que hasta le voy a poner Real Riders, pero ya será en un futuro cercano. Ya lo tiene todo rayado. Y este apenas lo abrimos ayer. Bueno, pero igual, como les decía, saludos, man. Muchas gracias a todos por por sus comentarios y sus buenos deseos. Muchas gracias. And that's it, guys. That's all I got. One thing, somebody or a lot of people, man, mistake us, me and Jose, man. SRG is the same as Sam. I think Mike Tyson, he titled his mail call SRG and Sam, even though just to clarify, SRG is Sam, bro. I am Sam, and Jose is Jose. So one thing you can tell us apart is the ring. That's pretty much the thing that set us apart. But I don't blame you, man. A lot of people mistake or confuses us. But yeah, it's all good, man. No worries. But man, that's it. I'm gonna cut it here. See you guys and stay tuned for the next video or next videos. And yeah, man, stay hunting, happy huntings, and stay hydrated, man. It's really, really hot. Saludos a Puerto Rico, Rubén y también a Miguel Hernández, parece. No, Rubén Hernández y había un Miguel en el grupo de Facebook que no se ha reportado, pero igual. Muchas gracias y ahí estamos.